Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make very delicious oats kesari. It's more like a pudding and it'll be a perfect dessert recipe. Let's get started. Heat a heavy bottom pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. When the ghee gets hot, add some cashew nuts. I'm going to add around 15 cashew nuts and around 15 numbers of raisins. Fry them till it turns into nice golden brown like this. Drain the ghee and transfer it to a different bowl. I have taken half cup of oats. Add the oats to the leftover ghee and reduce the heat to medium, and you have to fry the oats for at least 2 to 3 minutes till it turns into light golden brown color and you should get a nice aroma. You can either powder this oats by transferring it to a mixer jar or you can use it as it is. However, today I'm going to use as it is. To this, add 1 cup of milk. Give it a mix and you have to cook the oats till it becomes softer. Keep stirring it now and then. It has become a little thicker now. Keep mixing it and the oats been cooked nicely. At this stage, I'm going to add around 75 grams of sugar, that is slightly less than half a cup, and few drops of natural orange food color. This is optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it. Give it a mix and sugar will start to melt down. It's been almost a minute now. I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix well and you should reach a stage where the kesari doesn't stick to the sides of the pan. At this stage, I'm going to add around 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. It's almost done now. Finally, I'm going to add the fried cashews and raisins. Give it a mix and then you can turn off the heat. That's all. Such a super easy and very delicious oats kesari is now ready. Do try this simple recipe at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.